Everybody, welcome back to the next video in this series about pulling off these NBA scores from the ESPN website. So first, let's go back to our list here, or our HTML document from ESPN.com. So now we're looking at these team names and stuff, and we're kind of going to figure out how could we go through and find out all the teams all at once. And you notice that every team is going to have its little descriptive here. It's going to have a short display name. You see Lakers. And there's also a display name, Los Angeles Lakers. So I think there's a single name would be fine. We're going to put this all in a database. We kind of shorter the better. So let's go through and let's look at for everywhere a short display name comes up. So we see we got 14 occurrences of that. Short display name Mavericks, short display name Lakers, short display name Clippers, short display name Kings, etc. So that does a pretty good job of getting us one step away from where the team is. So that's going to be kind of our keyword that we go and we search for. So again, I wrote all this code in advance. I'm going to comment stuff out real quick. All right, so we got an empty list. Team name junk. We're going to go through this HTML document, and there's obviously going to be some junk associated with all this. We have our find teams document. This is just our local variable. We're going to pass in our HTML document into this. So we're going to start. We could do the .find method on a document of what we're looking for. This is going to give us an integer. Doc's not found because we have it as saved here in the memory as HTML doc right now. Load that up. Start. Okay, so the first appearance of short display name starts at position 38,491. Rename start as just start plus 18, and that's just going to get rid of this short display name. This is 18 characters long. So now we were going to be right at the beginning of the team name is. Okay, end, we're going to end it at our start plus 50 more characters, just kind of make sure we catch everything. And terminate, we're going to terminate. There's no reason to go through all of this HTML file because all these scores and sports and team names and stuff, they're going to be contained in the HTML header. So we're going to terminate at .find head. Let's find that position. Okay. Again. Okay. Our name, we're going to just HTML doc. Oh, this is just splitting our string here, so we know where to start and know where to end. So name's going to bring us up with Mavericks, some other stuff at the end. Okay, now we could turn this into a list easily by just breaking the stuff up at the commas. Okay, let's take a look at name list. Okay, so now we got Mavericks, and then we got this other chunk at the end we don't need. And next, we're going to pull out our team name, because our team is going to be the first element of that list. And while we're at it, we're going to have some extra quotes there, quotation marks. So we're going to go ahead and strip those off. Okay, and that's going to leave us with our team, Mavericks. Shows up. All right, and then we're going to, this is going to go through the loop, and it's going to append our team. So we'll skip that for now. So this is a recursive formula. This will go through, so we're going to say if end is less than terminate, go through and find teams again. We're going to just call our function again. So in a recursive way. And now we're going to find teams of our document. And we're going to start off where we left off last time, which is end. And we're going to go through to the end. That's going to go through the end of the string or the document really after this. So every time this loops through, it's going to check if the end is less than terminate. Go ahead and call find teams again. This is kind of a good way to just go through and parse through the whole list. And then once we get to the end, we're going to print that we're at the end of teams. So we're going to go ahead and call our function here, find teams on our HTML doc. That's our variable. Okay, and then comment this out for now, and we'll run this and look at it. Alright, let's find team name junk here. Let's see how that looks. Okay, we got some junk, definitely. Let's see if the teams are in here. Junk, junk, junk. Okay, here we go. Here's your teams here at the top. This is from the 13th, so Mavericks Lakers was the first game, Spurs Nuggets was the second game. Mavericks Lakers, Spurs Nuggets. Okay, so great, that worked out pretty nice. Let's go ahead and try this on another day. Just make sure we didn't get lucky and have it work by accident. We'll try yesterday, the 14th. I think that was yesterday, a couple days ago. Okay, ran that, popped up with end teams. Function ran through. Let's look up team name junk. Got junk, we got junk. Okay, just a few games that day. Heat Bucks, T-Wolves, Trailblazers. Okay, Heat Bucks, T-Wolves, Trailblazers. Okay, so that's working pretty good. I think we'll stop the video here, and then we'll go through the next video and show how to clean it up. All right, thanks.